In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to change your Reddit password. For any reason, if you're trying to change your password of Reddit, in this video, let me show you the quick process of doing it. Now, either if you're using the mobile app of Reddit, you can also change it from the mobile app. But for this video, I'm going to use the website. So open up your web browser and search for reddit.com. Once you do, also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in to your account of Reddit, you can now click on the arrow on the top right next to your username. Once you do, this drop down menu will open up. To change your password, head over to user settings, and under accounts, you'll see your email address and your password. To change the password, click on change. Now before you can change your password, you'll need to enter in your old password first. Once you type in your old password, in the second box, type in the new password that you want to create, and in the third box, also confirm it. And lastly, if you want to get logged out of every device that you're logged in, you can toggle this option on.